be there. All right, welcome here to Skydive, Palm Beach, here with Whitney. Whitney, what brings you out today?
I got dared to do it, really.
You got dared. Very nice. Well, my name is Hugh. I'm going to be your instructor.
Fantastic.
I'm going to be taking up to 10,000 feet and throwing you out of a perfectly good airplane. How do you feel?
A little nervous. I might scream a lot.
You excited?
I'm very excited.
All right, well, do you have anything to say to any friends and family at home watching
Mom,
this?
Dad, I'm sorry. I know you wish I didn't do this, but I'm really excited. So I will see you in an hour.
All right, we'll see you in the plane. Have fun.
Congratulations!
Yay!
How you feeling?
Great! Awesome!
Congratulations!
The free fall was so cool! I'm glad you pushed me. I'm not sure I would have.
All right, Whitney, you did it. You just jumped out of an airplane. What'd you think?
It was awesome! I didn't think I
Awesome.
could do it, but it was great.
Very nice. What was your favorite part?
The view as I was coming down slowly, but the free fall felt awesome.
Very nice. Well, congratulations again. Now you know why the birds sing.
Oh,
And
so
if anybody
good.
out there wants to skydive, who do they call?
should totally
5, 6, 1
come.
jump?
Now!
Now.